Good morning to you, Dibal. Yes, indeed, it is the nomination period where political madness is actually at the peak. You've seen in different parts of the country where the nominations have been happening. We've seen the happenings there, like in the neighboring county of Embu. But here in Meru, there are little activities because we were speaking to the man in charge of the UDA party in Meru, Dr. Kaberia, yesterday evening, and he was actually categorical that out of the 45 wards that actually MCA is actually garnering for that ticket of the UDA party, out of the 45 already, 30 they have agreed on who to actually take that particular ticket, and so the consensus have already been arrived at in the 30 wards, and so only 15 wards are remaining. Out of the 9 constituencies, no nominations will be happening. They have already agreed on the persons to fly the UDA ticket in those respective constituencies. Remember that in a constituency like Imenti South, we saw where the popular comedian, that is Jasper MC Jesse, had actually stepped down the day before yesterday, and you saw Kenyans making a mockery out of it, saying that the party had told him to go back to comedy. But the DP, who is the party leader of the UDA party, came out clear and said that they had agreed with the popular comedian to step aside and ensure that he's actually incorporated in the presidential campaign team of his team. And also remember that on the position of governor, we've only seen Mithika Ntuli, the current senator, the sitting senator of Meru County, is the only person flying that flag of the UDA party in as far as the contest for the governor is concerned. We've also seen on the ticket on the position for senator, of course, the current MP for Imenti South, that is Kathuri Murundi, is the only person who's come out to actually fly that ticket of the UDA party. And also the position of woman representative, only one person has actually been arrived at, because initially we had like 5 or 6 contestants for that particular ticket, for that particular position, but at the moment only one person has been given the green light. And so of all the positions in Meru County, only 15 positions, of course those are actually positions for the MCA, because accumulatively there are actually 45, but only 15 will be going to the nominations unless otherwise. But from here, Dibal, we shall be visiting several polling stations, of course, the public primary schools and the main tallying center, which is actually the Meru National School, where they will actually serve as the main tallying center for the UDA primaries here in Meru and bring our viewers to speed. And so, as far as we are concerned, authoritatively, we can report that no much activities, but we cannot rule out any activities in the course of the day. Dibal.
Yeah, nothing much to report there, Alan Ochanda. It seems it's a slow burn also in Meru, as it were, just the same as we saw there in Moiben when we had Elvis Kosgei as well. We shall be going back to him to tell us more developments from that particular area. But for now, we started the day with Emmanuel so early in the morning. He was in Nandi County, and then he went to Kapsabit, and of course now he's gone back.